Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this wig from MyFirstWig and I'm honestly so in love with this wig. This is the pre-everything wig, which basically means that the wig comes with the lace pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes with the hairline pre-plucked as well. So majority of the work has been done for you. You just need to go ahead and install this wig and you're good to go. So this is the curtain bang wavy wig and it's an 18-inch wig, 180. When it comes to the hair itself, the hair is so soft, it's so bouncy. You can definitely tell that this is some good quality hair, very low maintenance as well. So if you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. This is the wig from MyFirstWig. Honestly, I've just put the wig on and I'm so impressed with the wig. The wig came with the lace pre-cut, it came pre-bleached, and it came pre-plucked as well. This is what the hairline looks like. I've not applied anything to this wig, no hair glue, no hairspray. This is 100% glueless. The only thing I did was to tint the lace to help it match my skin tone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. The wig also came pre-styled as well. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the bangs and then we can go from there.
Confidence. When I got a roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
So I'm going to move on to styling, and the wig comes with some bangs at the front, as you guys can see. I think it's meant to come down like this, but I feel like this is way too long at the front, and I'm also scared of cutting the hair because I don't want to ruin the hair. So I'm thinking I'm just going to go for a middle part instead. Okay, so I think we're getting somewhere now. The wig already comes with some layers cut into the hair, but I'm just gonna add some more.
Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Confidence. When I got a roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down.
And when I tell you this hair is so soft, like it's honestly so soft. So you guys, this is what the wig looks like, and even the hairline as well, it just looks so good. Okay, so I've just changed my top so you guys can see the wig properly, and I am so impressed and so in love with this wig. I really like the bangs. I feel like it's definitely something different. It's giving grown and it's giving soft girl. It's giving, yeah, like I really like this wig. So like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig, and this is the curtain bang wavy glueless wig. The bangs were a bit long, so I definitely had to go in and cut them shorter, and I think this looks better. When it comes to the hair as well, I love the hair quality. The hair is so soft. You can tell this is some good quality hair. So the length I have is 18 inches and it's 180 density. So the wig is actually quite full compared to the other wigs that you get from them, and I really like this density. So I'm going to show you guys other ways that you can definitely style this wig. I am so in love with this wig, and I just love how easy it is to work with. This is definitely a beginner friendly wig because like I said, everything has been done for you. You just need to pop this wig on your head and you're good to go. It's so easy to style. The hair quality is amazing, very low maintenance. You can definitely tell this is not going to give you any stress. And guys, look, the hair quality is so good. You don't have to do too much to this wig. Also, just to show you guys what the hairline looks like. So yeah, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. I am so in love with this wig. I feel like this wig is so fun. It's very playful, but at the same time it's still giving grown, it's giving sexy, it's giving soft girl. I love the bangs, I love the layers in the hair as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.